I'm Rachel Evans. I'm a visual arts facilitator based in North Wales. I enjoy working in collaboration with other organisations and communities to collectively explore and respond creatively to aspects of social history. I'm interested in the domestic side of social history and in the female perspective. The domestic appliances and utensils that are on display in Storiel give us a really good insight into the hardship of daily life for most women at the time. I think in responding to the brief, I was thinking about how when we view objects in museums, however much information is displayed alongside them, they are removed or disconnected from their owners, and I always want to know more information about the person that used them and to imagine their routines and their relationships, the environment, their concerns, the thoughts and the conversations that they might have had while using them. I wanted to use the commission to reimagine seemingly humble domestic objects and utensils into new artefacts and to use materials and processes and visual references that connected them more clearly to a localised sense of time and place. I'm working on a collection of reimagined domestic items which include spoons, butter pats, teapots, jugs. Some of the bowls of the spoons were made using imprints of graffiti that's carved into the slate on the bridge at Afon Ogwen, which was used by workers on the way to the Penrhyn quarries. Other spoons have imprints of the shapes of the walls of corlanau or sheepfolds. Within these pieces, the colours that I've used all relate to the local environment, in particular the quarrying and the farming landscapes. The surface of the jug that I'm working on at the moment has been influenced by a quarryman's blanket that was on display at Storiel recently. I found the contrast between the care that was taken to make it was in a real contrast with the brutal environment of the barracks where it would have been used, and I found that really moving. I guess what I'm doing is about imbuing or instilling these reimagined artefacts that I'm making with more of a localised sense of identity.